Good morning. I'm Neil Brown, mechanical supervisor at the Central Machine Shop. I wanted to take you for a little tour around our AMC Central Shop and show you a little bit about what we do here. Today, I just wanted to show you a little bit about our computer-aided manufacturing and computer-aided drawing, which is what we're looking at right now. We're here with Joe, and he works in the Central Machine Shop. Joe, can you tell us a little bit about what you're doing?
We're manufacturing motor bracket for the concrete saw to hold the two hydraulic motors on the wheels. But we had to surface or do a profile for clearance on this bracket that we're making to clear the hydraulic cylinder.
Yeah, and our heavy equipment side was unable to procure these brackets from the manufacturer, long lead time. And one of the things we do here a lot of times is if we can't get equipment parts or they're outdated, we redesign the parts, our timelines, and how quickly we need them.
It's the plate for the concrete saw. Profile this shape into it for the clearance on that hydraulic cylinder. Do a simulation here. This is after the roughing passes. Super fast.
This is your actually the way things work when you use the computer generated drawing to create a toolpath.
Yes.
This would be your CAD portion of CAD-CAM.
Hi, my name is Sean Barrow, Construction and Maintenance Superintendent for a Central Area Service Center for East Bay Mud. I work here in Oakland, and I am the Construction and Maintenance Superintendent for the cities of Berkeley, Emeryville, Albany, and about half of Oakland. And we do a lot, and I'm here to let you know that this career that I have, this wonderful career, didn't start here. Currently, as the boss, I have an office, and I have people that work under me. I have staff, and about 48, and most of the time, most of them are in the field where I actually started my career. Hello again. Here in our service yard, we operate a variety of equipment. All of the equipment, the trucks, the backhoes, the pickups, and the service vehicles are all designed to help us go into the field and maintain the water mains and its services. I'm going to give you a look at some of those items. I'm currently standing in an active yard. This is Central.
Hello, my name is Isaiah Hinton. I'm an assistant construction and maintenance superintendent here in Central Yard. And what that basically means is I'm over around 20 to 25 individuals who go out in the field and make repairs. I'm over the maintenance side. I have a counterpart who's over the construction side. We both work for a superintendent who has ownership over the whole entire yard and service area, and that's all of Albany, Berkeley, Oakland, as well as Emeryville. And basically what we do is we go out and repair water mains and services from the drinking water distribution side. So a little bit about myself. I've been here around 16 years, and I started here as a meter reader, as a temporary meter reader actually. I got a temporary position. And then while I was in that position, I realized that I wanted to apply to the plumber side because I thought that was a better opportunity for me. It suited my personality better, working with crews as opposed to being out there independently. So I used to go around and read all the meter readers, which then got turned over to our billing, and then that's how people get their water bills. And then I went to become a plumber, and I started then I started as a temporary plumber, and then I got a permanent spot. I went through the academy, which back then was almost a year-long process. 4 months in the classroom, and then about the rest was on rotations. And then you become a plumber 2, and then you work your way up through there. You do that for a few years, and then I promoted to a plumber 3, and then I was a lead plumber. Then I became, after years of doing that, in 2014, I became a water distribution crew foreman, which basically means I was in charge of the plumbers going out and repairing stuff in the fields, as well as operators and truck drivers. Those all work together on the maintenance side as well as the construction side. And after a few years of that, in 2017, I got promoted again to a assistant superintendent, but that was temporarily, and the position I'm in now. And I took that was only a temporary position, so then I voluntarily demoted into a permanent position for general pipe supervisor, which is a supervisor position. So it's a step above foreman, because now you're an actual supervisor, as opposed to a foreman's just more like a field level supervisor. And I worked for a department called ESS, which is Equipment Support Section. And over there I was in charge of the welders, as well as I would also work with and help be over with another supervisor over truck drivers, concrete finishers, operators, crane operators, heavy equipment operators. So they would all help support all the other facilities and departments throughout the district. Got promoted to assistant construction maintenance superintendent, the position I'm in now, permanently, about 6 months ago. And so that's kind of my career path. So the point being is, here at East Bay Mud, there's plenty of opportunities for growth, and there's plenty of room to move around to departments and positions that if they better suit you or you like your career path to go that way, you have that option. When I came here, I had no education. I had 0 college, and since then I used tuition reimbursement through the district and was able to get an associate's degree. Actually, I got 2 associate's degrees, one in welding technology, which helped me get my position being over the welders, another one in business, and then I transferred to a 4-year university, and I went to a state university, and I got my degree in, let me see what it's in. I got a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration with a focus on general management.
This is our pipeline replacement program viewer, a different GIS system. All these numbers you see are all past leaks we found in the area.
And those leaks were surfacing or they were not surfacing?
Some were, some weren't. Most were. We have satellite images. All these orange points, these are all leaks we found in the neighborhood, and none of these were surfacing.
None of those were surfacing, Mike?
None of them.
So when you locate a leak, who do you contact after you locate a leak, and how quick does the district respond?
When I find a leak, the first thing I do is I contact our dispatch, and they call 811, which is USA North, so we can have the other utilities come out and mark their utilities so we don't hit any gas lines or electric lines. We wait our 2 days for it to clear unless it's emergency, and then we have our crew come out and we try to respond within 7 business days to do all leaks, especially during the drought, which is important. East Bay Mud's using cutting-edge technology to find leaks. We're using satellites in outer space to detect leaks underground. We can see 6 to 10 feet underground and tell the difference between treated and untreated water.
Wow.
Afterwards, we get results like this in the neighborhood, and all these orange areas or highlighted areas are where we find leaks. Right here, this is a PDF file where I have 234 leaks of these.
So your job is to investigate the points of interest.
I investigate the points of interest, and we have a high success rate of finding leaks in these areas. Once again, these are subsurface leaks where water is not surfacing.